Going to do a little gear review on Mosko Moto saddlebags today that I received. This is the version 1.0. They were on sale through Mosko Moto, about $230 off, and I thought that's good enough for me. I don't want to pay the extra $350 for version 3.0 because I don't really need it. Anyways, it's on my 690 right now. Mounted the plates, and the next order of business is to mount these plates on my Africa Twin. I've been using these GV E21 bags for many years, and they're fine. They work good. Nothing wrong with them. But what I want is a bag that I can switch easily from one bike to the other. I do have Wolfman Rocky Mountain saddlebags, and they work fine, but the problem with them is I couldn't really put the strap underneath the seat very easily with those bags on the Africa Twin or the 690. 690 for sure not, and it would block the fuel filler, and I don't want my wife sitting on the straps, or actually the buckles. So first order of business is on the Africa Twin, is to mount these mounting plates here using these pucks and this hardware. So we'll get that done. So I have to take off one of my GV mounts on each side, this part here, and we'll do that next. So I filled the holes with from the GV mount with a little ATV orange. It'll be covered by the rack, so I'm not worried about that. Front and back side. I have SW Motech racks for my Africa Twin, and Mosko Moto has made them so that they fit the SW Motech racks. As you can see, they just fit on there. Maybe you can't see. They just fit. Here's one of the mounting bolts for Mosko Moto bags. It's almost like a button head, but it's really flat. And I've looked everywhere trying to find this, because what I'd like to do, since I'm switching bags back and forth, and these bolts might wiggle loose with the bags on, they won't wiggle loose, but if anybody knows what you call this, it's like a button head, but it's an Allen. If you could see that. I don't know if you can see that. I can't see it. It's an Allen, and it's flat. I've looked all over trying to find them. Anybody knows, let me know. Just looking for something longer so I can put a what you call it, nylock on the back side of it. I ran into a little snafu. They had one puck that is not tapped all the way through. You can see the threads there. Come on, camera, focus. This side's not tapped all the way through. Good thing I'm a machinist and I have a 6mm tap and I can fix it. Still going to call Mosko on it though. So there you have it. 2 racks are installed on both sides. Tap that thread out, that hole out, so that's done. See how the bags fit. So a little test, see if I can do this one-handed. Got it on the KTM, I've got it unlocked. Pull it up and off. Over to Africa Twin, set it in. Boom, on. That fast and easy to switch. They're on there pretty hard. Anyways, that's that. Try that again from bike to bike. One hand off. Sorry about the shaky video. And back on. That easy. I like it. Like it a lot. These have a pocket in the back here. Stick a water bottle or whatever each one does. It's 35 liter. It does have molly straps, triple molly straps on the front, and I believe on the bottom Yes, and it also has this, call it a beaver pouch. This just comes off. You can store stuff in here, unclip this, and store junk in there, clip it back on. That's kind of cool. I like that. So easy to get on with one hand. Pretty hard with one hand. But there you go. Mosko Moto. The only thing I don't really like about them so far is these blue pucks. It'd be nice to have a different color offered, like black would be nice. I understand that's kind of their color scheme, but I'd rather have black and holes that are tapped all the way through. That would be nice too. So, got any questions? Got any comments? Whatever, let me know. Another gear review I can give while I'm here, I guess, is this is the Cortech Super 2.0, I believe, tail bag. I went to Dennis Kirk. I live close enough to there. Dennis Kirk, anyways. About an hour, 20 minutes, something like that. Tried several different tail bags to see what would fit on my GV rack. I also have a GV bag up there, hard case I can use on here, but I like this little tail bag. It's got a little pocket for documents, whatever. It's got a little mesh thing, place for pins. It's got enough room here. It is expandable, so you can unzip here all the way around, and these pockets come out. Got pockets on the side. That's where I keep my rock straps. Gotta love your rock straps. It's got a little zipper garage, so you can tuck the zippers away in there. Pockets on both sides. It does have a handle here, also a carry straps if you need it, which I don't. So, and it has a rainfly pocket up front here, so you can keep your stuff dry if it is raining. That works out well. Oh, what else do I want to add? Oh, that's about it. Go do your iron butt. Get your plate. It's on the way to go. See you later. Thanks a lot. Subscribe. Hit that bell button. And adios. Do I got snot on my mustache or what? I don't know. Bye.